Alright, welcome back everybody to yet another video in the inventory series. We are gonna be fixing some more stuff up, but we are getting somewhere. So we have this issue. I just added another item. I'm gonna do some example items later, but just to show you, we have some issues. First one is if we have two items like this, we equip one weapon. So this should be two items, right? We have one in our inventory and one equipped. If we drop this one, both disappear. Now we only have one weapon. So that's one issue. Other issue is if I have this weapon equipped, you can see, yeah, just for testing purposes, we can see that there's a static mesh there. And if we now equip the sword, we made the original one disappear. And that's also not good. So, because the first one should go back to the inventory. So, let's fix those things. It's a bit laggy. Why? What am I doing? Okay, let's just do something happening here. No? Yeah. Anyway, let's just do it. So, the first one, I guess, is okay. So in our item menu, we got this issue, the first issue. So what we want to do here is we want to, we want this to know that this is an equipment slot, and if it's an equipment slot, we shouldn't remove from the inventory. So in the item menu, it's this menu here, and it's this button that we wanna work with. The drop button. You can see it has stack 0, so we want to get the owning slot. We want to get a equipment slot, and we want to plug this in. And we already have the owning slot variable from here, I guess, from the inventory slot we set ourselves when we create the menu. And that means that this should be true, and it should only go up here, and it should not execute this remove logic from the inventory. Let's see if that works. There we go. And the same, yeah, we need to do the other way around also. So if it's false, remove, yeah. First index, okay, the first index is 1. Let me just see. No, that's amount to drop. That's not gonna work. We have our inventory, because what happens is we find it should we do with break? False. What am I doing here? For loop. So for every amount to drop, we execute this logic, we look in the inventory, and then we do this. So we should only do this once, right? Why does it trigger twice? Let's see. It is only triggering once, so this is working. I'm trying to figure out why this is not working. Has stack, that's false. So we go here. Is it because we reset the equipped slot no matter what? Yep. Yeah. Okay, so like this. If the owning slot is a equipment slot, we should reset it. But if it's not an equipment slot, we shouldn't reset the equipment slot. Then we're just gonna jump over this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's problem number 1. Then we have problem number 2, which is probably a bigger one. So how do we do that? We need to, okay. In the inventory slot, we have the onDrop function. Check equipped item. Okay, we can do this here. Okay, so if it's an equipment slot and a held item not equal to empty holder item, that means we have to first add it to the inventory, right? Like this. So if it is equal, if this is false, means it is equal to the empty holder item, then we can just execute the logic, because that's like the normal way we want it to. But if it is not equal to the empty holder item, that means there's actually another item there. So in that case, we need to inventory, do I have? have this. We can add don't I have, actually can't I just get inventory? And then go back here. And then we set it, and then we update here, I guess. Yeah, we have some update functions here. I have no idea what's going on here though. Let's try if that works. Yeah, that seems to work. Now we have the white circle sort here. Yeah, that's working. Doesn't need to be harder than that. Yeah. Okay, so that's working. And if you're wondering how I made it, I just basically just copied the other items, just basically a copy of this one. Just not even a child blueprint class. I just copied it and just gave it another mesh and another name. I'm gonna show you how to set up example items later. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. That was once again a very smooth one. We aren't very used to that, but that's some quick bug fixing. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe because it makes me happy. And that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.